Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I want to do another stitch which I've learned. I'm learning every day and I hope to become better each time. And I've done a chain now. I always do, or rather I just show you basically the stitch, but you can do the number of chains that is required for your project. So for mine I'm just doing a sample number of chains. So what this stitch you can use for is for your rugs or again blanket, basically whatever that you feel fit. For the first row we will skip one chain, and on the second chain we will do a single crochet all the way. So you'll be doing a single crochet into each chain. The first chain is the most important, I think, because then your tension has to be correct. Don't pull too hard, don't pull too soft, or rather don't pull too tight. So we'll just do this single crochet all the way till the end, and then we will chain 2 and we will turn our work and start on a double crochet. So let me see you at the end. So I've completed my row of single crochets all the way, and to start the next row we will chain 2, turn our work, and we will start with double crochets this time. All right, we will chain yarn over, pull through, yarn over, chain your work, and we'll start double crochets all the way. Now the third row is when you start doing your front post double crochet. And what I do is, when I do my front post, back post, either of those or alternate, you can do that, I would again continue the next row with single crochets, so it has a nice look to it. So again, or rather double crochets, yeah. So I'm gonna yarn over, put into the chain, pull through 2 and pull out. So we're gonna do double crochets all the way. I'll see you at the okay. So we've come to the end of our double crochet row. So we got your single crochet row here and your double crochet row there. Again, chain 2, turn your work, and here is where you start your front and back double crochet. Yeah, front post and back post. Almost went blank. Okay, so we yarn over, pull through here, put your chain, or rather your yarn into this, put your hook into here, this first, not this one, but on the second double crochet that we made below. All right, so yarn over, go through that second one here, right, pull through. You can pull it up a bit so it doesn't get too tight. Yarn over, pull through 2, and just basically make a double crochet. All right, see? So now you yarn over. The next one is the back. You see your second double crochet? This is the first that you just did. You did a front post double crochet. Now we're going to do a back post, which means you put your hook here into the, oops, I'm finding it tricky as well, into this one, to the back loop. Let me do that again. Yarn over, put your hook into here, pull through to like a double crochet, and there you have your back post. Oops, did I just go off camera? I think I did. Okay, so let me do that one more time. Again, yarn over, go through that double crochet that we did earlier, pull through 2, pull through all, and that's your front post double crochet. Now for the back post, we will yarn over, go back this way into the back part, and yarn over, pull through 2, pull through all, and you have your back double crochet. It's a bit hard to see for this color, but you see the back. So we will do that one more time. Yarn over, so your next one, this is your back post, double crochet. We'll do the front post, yarn over, pull through, make it a little loose, and you have your front post, double crochet. Okay, and then yarn over, do your back post, double crochet, and you have this pretty bumps here. I'll meet you at the back at the end, and we will continue with the next row, alternating between the front post and the back post. So I've come to the end of the row. I've actually done basically front post, back post, front post and back post in all my double crochets. Now at the end I was left with one stitch. I actually did a double crochet, just one double crochet here, and then turn my work. You'll be chaining 2 and you continue. In other words, when you turn your work, where you see a back double crochet, a back post double crochet, you will do a back post double crochet. If you see a front post, you will do a front post. So basically it's just that. At the end, you may want to do a single crochet here, or you may want to skip it and just continue with your double crochet all the way, and at the end you may want to just put your border, or do whatever you like. I always try out, trial and error. I will try out different patterns. When I watch YouTube, I will sometimes mix and match the patterns, as long as they look good and they don't look out of line, or they don't look lopsided. So I hope you enjoy. You can try this out as well. I did this single crochet to show, or rather like to have a base. You can, when you finish your second stitch right here, the second row, you may want to do another single crochet and then start your back post, front post again. So this back post, front post really looks nice, and I hope you enjoy it. I'm actually doing a rug, but with a different stitch again. I'm using a V-stitch pattern at the bottom, and then here the second row is 3 double crochets into the V-stitches. So it's the entire rug is based on those stitches. If you notice, I just do stitches. I don't really show you the entire project because I think that we have many videos, and you can actually use these stitches on all those videos that teach you how to do rugs and blankets and tops, bags. So I prefer to just teach you the stitches, and then you can work your way into doing your project. But if there is something that you'd like to know, like for example this rug, to do the entire thing, I can. I'll try. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed. I want to learn more stitches, and I hope that you've learned something too. So have a good evening, good night, good morning, wherever you are. Bye bye.